The world of work is changing faster than ever. Professions that built entire generations are disappearing one by one. Cashiers, drivers, translators, accountants, all being replaced by algorithms. Machines don't sleep, they don't complain, they don't need a paycheck or health insurance. And if your job is based on repetition, it's not a question of if it will be automated, but when. According to Goldman Sachs, by 2030, more than 60% of jobs in developed countries could be automated. AI systems now write text, generate art, drive cars, analyze data, and even replace customer service. ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation software are reshaping industries faster than any industrial revolution before. Self-checkout lines have replaced cashiers. Fast food chains rely on touchscreens. Airlines use biometric boarding instead of human staff. And soon, many of today's safe office jobs won't be safe at all. Technology always wins against routine. The pandemic revealed a harsh truth. Those who worked with their minds kept going. Those who worked with their hands stopped. When the world went remote, digital workers survived. Waiters, trainers, and retail staff didn't. And it's not just pandemics. Every financial crisis, every new wave of technology hits the service class first. So how do you survive in an age where machines are smarter, faster, and cheaper than people? First, develop skills that can't be automated: creativity, strategy, communication, and human connection. Second, stay adaptable. The days of one career for life are over. Even programmers and designers are realizing that automation can outpace them too. Third, invest in yourself. Every new skill is a form of survival. Every course, language, and certificate, a layer of protection. Because in the new economy, your ability to learn is worth more than your degree. And finally, embrace change. The job market is no longer a ladder you climb until retirement. It's an ocean, unpredictable, vast, and merciless to those who stand still. A bottle of water costs $1 in a store, $3 on a train, and $5 at the top of a mountain. Same product, different value. The same is true for you. Your value depends on where and how you choose to apply yourself. The future doesn't wait. You'll either learn to guide the machines, or the machines will guide you.